In this video, you will learn how to get unbanned on cashapp. If you've banned on cashapp, follow these simple steps to try and get unbanned. First, review cashapp's terms of service. Understand why your account may have been banned by reviewing cashapp's terms and conditions. If you violate these terms and conditions by using a fake identity or violating the community guidelines, this can lead to a ban. Next, check your emails. Cashapp usually sends you an email when they have taken action on your account. Look for a message explaining the reason for your ban. They will give you insight into whether it was due to a violation or an issue such as suspicious activity. Then, contact cashapp support. Open cashapp, tap on the profile icon and tap support and select something else. Then choose an issue that best describes the situation, such as cannot access the account or account restriction. Then, follow the prompts to contact customer support and explain your situation. Remember, always be polite and provide any requested information to assist them on reviewing your case. Appeal your ban. If you think a ban was a mistake and you want to contest it, you can ask cashapp support to review your account. This may need to provide identification and other documents that lead to your conclusion. Cashapp typically takes a few business days to review your account issues. Make sure to be patient and wait for them to get back to you regarding your appeal. They may lift the ban or offer a clarity on why it occurred. If necessary, and you can't get unbanned, you may need to create a new cashapp account using a different email and phone number. However, if your account was banned for serious violations such as fraud, cashapp may restrict you from using their services altogether and ever again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.